Welcome to our song-based mini course. Here we are excited to help you start playing the piano or the keyboard right away without any stress. In this video keyboard guide, you'll learn to play Jingle Bells with a simple step-by-step approach. So get ready to jump into the music and have fun boosting your piano skills while enjoying this festive classic. What does this bundle include? First of all, you'll get 3 different versions of sheet music, which includes the regular music notation, lettered music notation, and color-coded music notation, all of which will assist in different learning styles. Then you will also get play-along video tutorials with on-screen instructions, which includes an introductory video tutorial, the right-hand only video tutorial, the left-hand only video tutorial, and hands-together play-along video tutorial. All of this includes ongoing WhatsApp support should you need it. Our song-based DIY mini courses are designed to teach you to teach yourself to play the piano. If you want to enroll in our Learn Jingle Bells mini course, just click the link in the description or bio or copy and paste into your browser to get access. If you're in South Africa, please send me an email with your full name and WhatsApp number, and I'll let you know how we can move forward. If you haven't grabbed your copy of the Piano Keyboard Primary Chord Guide yet, now's the perfect time. This guide is a must-have for anyone enrolled in our song-based mini courses. It features 15 major keys and their 3 primary chords, offering you a total of 45 chord options. Type this link into your browser, purchase and download today.